Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something truly delicious, the Perdue crispy chicken breast strips. If you're on the hunt for the best breaded chicken cutlets prepared for an easy meal, then you're in for a treat. These chicken strips promise both flavor and convenience, so let's explore what makes them a must-have in your freezer. Each bag of Perdue crispy chicken breast strips weighs a hearty 26 ounces, making it perfect for family dinners or meal prepping for those busy weekdays. The packaging is designed to keep the chicken fresh and flavorful, ensuring that every bite tastes just as good as the first. You'll notice the bright and appealing visuals that immediately signal quality. Now, let's take a look at these crispy delights. The chicken breast strips are golden and perfectly breaded, promising that satisfying crunch. And here's something fantastic, they're easy to prepare. You can bake them in the oven, or if you're in a hurry, drop them in the air fryer for a quick cook. With just a few minutes in the oven at the recommended temperature, you can transform these frozen strips into a crispy masterpiece. Just look at how they sizzle and brown beautifully. The aroma filling the kitchen is absolutely mouthwatering. What sets Perdue apart is their commitment to quality. Their chicken is made from chickens raised without antibiotics, and you can really taste that in every bite. It's tender, juicy, and packed with flavor, not just another frozen dinner option. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's dig in. The crunch on the outside gives way to that succulent chicken within. You can enjoy these strips on their own, but they're also fantastic paired with your favorite dipping sauces or tossed into salads for a protein boost. It's the perfect blend of crispiness and tenderness. I can see these chicken strips becoming a go-to meal option for family dinners or even party platters. They're versatile enough for anything, seriously. So if you're looking for a convenient and tasty meal solution, I highly recommend giving Perdue crispy chicken breast strips a try. They not only offer great taste but also ensure that you're feeding your family quality chicken. It's a great product for busy lifestyles without compromising on flavor. Before we wrap up today's review, don't forget to check the description below for links to where you can find these, as well as other fantastic kitchen staples. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to Product Critique for more delicious insights. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.